Do you hear me? Do you hear me? This is my voice. 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 This is it. Could be that and I were walking into a place, semi-dark gray. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's more than warm in here, and it is very humid. It is possible that this is a rainy season. Look behind the houses. The crown of the cocoa trees swaying in the breeze. I even see a man on top of the tree. Let's get closer. As we pass by the houses about 2-3 stories high, we start to hear this colors and patterns and shapes of the clothes and shoes, making the vibrant air of the tropical. Kids are running, dogs are following them, and people are walking around, laughing out loud and talking in Dutch, Indonesian, Tagalog, and there's another one that you don't hear it yet. The smell of the fruits reaches me, and I hear the melody that the bender is singing. Maybe it's the name of the fruits. Yes, it is the market. And there's a river behind. Kalibesar, the great river, running down quietly towards the bay into the ocean. And I hear someone jumps into the water, swimming or bathing. A small ship coming up, Dutch flag on its tail, waving and going farther inland. A fisherman comes up from his boat, hands full of fishes, going straight into the market, put them on the table. I hear some noise from behind the river, nailing of woods, hitting metal, a ship carpenter's working, blacksmiths working. And above them, there's a road, and I see a man on horses, man on foot, man on foot, man on foot, man on horses, man on foot, man on foot, coming out from a fort, a big fort that Dutchman had built. in 1619. The Castle of Batavia, that's how it's called. And it is the center of Asian trading, the headquarters of VOC, the United East Indian Company. And they're trading not just spices or tea, but all these exotic luxuries, porcelain, lacquered objects, which has silver and gold on it. Also katana swords and other types of weapons, and together with them, the reports, documents, letters, and diaries of the traders, of the sailors, of the doctors and missionaries, and so on. They all came through Batavia, and with them, curious images and stories and rumors that you never heard of traveled back to Europe. 8 months on the ship, and some of them resulted on Dutch geography book, engraved illustrations full of imagination, collective travelogues, paratexts, inscribed a possible world, a possible history. Not actual, yet being printed on paper, imaginary became a real. And in this reality, people and things starts to inhabit and being read by someone and being spoken to someone and being translated into another language and into another language and into another language. This reality started expanding and started resonating with other possible worlds, other possible histories. And it is still resounding now here, then to somewhere, and from somewhere to now here, then to somewhere, and from somewhere, something fell on the ground. A man on catwalk, picking up the coconuts, high up on the tree. As I was hearing this melody, I also overheard some Japanese words. Somehow it was unfamiliar, but it was Japanese words. So I listened, trying to find where this voice is coming from, while wondering why a Japanese in 1600s in Batavia. Could it be possible that he's one of the exiled, persecuted Christians from Japan? Or is he one of the hired samurai soldier of VOC? Or is he even one of the soldiers left in the jungle after the war? Questions unfolding a possible history and drawing me deep into this resonance of the voice that I overheard. It is pure depth, without foreground, without background, without surfaces, and without any distance separating it from me. And I follow the voice for some time or for a long time. And I find myself with a group of people going down the river towards the bay into the ocean, getting on a big ship.